everyone, how are you? Hope you are well. I am also fine. I am glad to be a member of Global Trainer Academy. I grateful my honorable team leader Shimul Begum and honorable team supervisor S.M. Akkas Ali sir. Now I am introduce myself. I am Modina Khatun from Bangladesh. I am a head teacher at Nasiruddin Bishwas Walbadia Government Primary School, Daulatpur, Kustia, Bangladesh. I started my professional career as an assistant teacher November 1990. Usually I teach in English, mathematics and Bangladesh Global Studies course. I completed my graduation from Kustia Government College under the National University in Bangladesh. I am participate in a live class Kustia Online Primary School. I am also participate National Education Medal 2014 and was selected as the best teacher in Kustia district. I also went officially study tour on ICT for primary education in Jakarta, Indonesia 2016. I have also a trainer of Bangladesh Global Studies course from 2007. Now I am to be a trainer from Global Trainer Academy. I feel proud as a teacher. I want to get a Global Award certificate. I want support of the Global Trainer Academy to enrich my profession skill. I hope Global Trainer Academy will help me. By the way, I wanted to say now it's the time for COVID-19 pandemic. Everybody should follow the hygienic and health rules, maintain social distance. It's international problem, so everybody should be careful and stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone.